Above ground, plants compete for sunlight. But below, they cooperate in ways we're only beginning to understand. Beneath every forest lies a hidden superhighway, a living internet built by fungi. These threads, called hyphae, link roots into a network so vast, a teaspoon of soil holds miles of them. It's a barter system. Fungi mine nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen, trading them to plants for sugar. Even trees feed their young this way, like parents packing a lunchbox. When drought hits, the network acts as an emergency pipeline. Fungi channel water from wetter areas to plants in need, a lifeline we never see. Under attack, plants send distress calls. Neighbors hear the warning and arm themselves with toxic chemicals before the threat even arrives. But this system is fragile. Pesticides and plowing sever these connections. No network means no warnings, no water sharing, just silent, struggling plants. We can heal this hidden world. Compost feeds fungi. Diversity strengthens the web. Because when soil thrives, life thrives, above and below. The next time you walk through a forest, listen closely. The real conversation isn't in the wind, it's in the whispers beneath your feet.